I am really excited to launch this Qur'an journal. I have tried my best to compile all the information in journal from the Qur'an and Hadith. This is the detailed video of Qur'an journal from inside and how you can use it. It's available in 7 different colors. It means you can choose color of your choice. Let me know your favorite color in comment section. This Qur'an journal has ring binding which can open easily, so that more pages can be added. First page is for name. The next pages are about rights of Qur'an, recitation, understanding, action and its memorization according to Qur'an and Hadith. Inshallah, it will help, inspire and motivate you to gain knowledge of the Qur'an, to understand and apply it correctly in your life. Some questions to make your intention clear and keep you motivated throughout the journey. Juz and Surah checklist also included to track the progress. Work pages are added for 50 verses, but more than one verse can be done on a work page. It's totally up to you. These are lined and dotted pages. Here can be written the remaining tafsir, reflection, etc. Or you can test yourself about that particular ayah. Here you can do same as line page or mind mapping. For example, all the other pages are same. There's the beautiful dua at the end of this journal. It has a pocket to hold the essential things. These are 8 free cards of Qur'an verse and Hadith included with every Qur'an journal. This is the set of 3 bookmarks and 3 sticker sheets. They are available in discounted price if bought with this Qur'an journal. This set is available separately as well. These are the other colors. Colors may vary because of lighting.
وهدى من الرحمن يهدينا به للصالحات وللمكارم والتقى نور على مر الزمان تألقا وأضاء للدنيا طريقا مشرقا وهدى من الرحمن يهدينا به للصالحات وللمكارم والتقى هذا كتاب الله أعذب منهل.
That's it. Hope you like this journal. When you use it, inshallah, it will be very beneficial for you and help you understand Holy Qur'an and build strong connection with Allah. You can gift it to your loved ones, your family and friends to help them gain knowledge of the Qur'an. Do share it with others. And remember me in your prayers. For order, just message me on any of my social media links in description.
وتلاه في جنح الدجى متدبرا والدمع من بين الجفون ترقرقا هذه صفات الحافظين كتابه حقا فكن بصفاتهم متخلقا يا حافظ القرآن رتل آيه فالكل أنصت للتلاوة مطرقا